Hi, L.O.L surprise fans, I'm Captain Q.B. Today, we're gonna play a game. Nope, not football. Come on, let me show you. Huh? Where is everyone? Oh, there are the puppies. Did you guys get a good look? Let's do an instant replay. Rewind. And forward. They're so cute. I could do this all day. But now, let's get to our game. Do you know her name? A, NYC Doggy. B, Van Pupper. Or C, Daring Doggy. I think I know this one. Oh, there's a countdown. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The answer is Van Pupper. Did you guys get it right? Good job, everyone. Let's play again. Whose puppy is this? A, Jammin's. B, Oops Baby. C, Daring Devos. I think I know this one too. How about you guys? 3, 2, 1. Daring Devon! Oh, they look so cute together. Puppies are the best, and they're so nice too. Like when Puppy Next Door let Lil Baby Next Door make her smell good, and then she gave her a ride to bed. Aww. And how about when Sailor Puppy saved the day by doing the doggy paddle for Captain BB and Sailor Cutie? That was really nice. Okay, BBs, I hope you were paying attention to those clips. Let's play one more game. This one's hard. What's the name of Lil Baby Next Door's perfume bottle? Whoa, that is really hard. I don't know this one. 4, 3, 2, here comes the answer. Oh, de potty? That's really funny. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember to love your puppy. And if you don't have a puppy, here's some puppy love. Bye!